Hello, so today I am unboxing DUMDi Night version by I-DLE. So let's start. Ooh, maybe it'll pull off easier this way. I guess it doesn't matter. Ta-da! Okay, yeah, take this off without ripping it. Oh yeah, you can. It just kind of sticks lightly. Oop. Used to be lots of stickers and stuff. I will go through that last though. Oh no. There we go. Although you can see some of them here, but still. I'm just going to move this out of the way so nothing gets stuck to it. Oh, okay. I think I get it. So this is kind of like Wonder Party and what's the other one? Nabadera by Yana. Although this is older than Nabadera, but same type of thing is what I'm trying to get at. There's a poster. Here's the back side of it. It's got the credits and some other stuff. Ah, group poster. Oh, look so happy. And Sujin's there, which I like. Okay. So I guess this is like, there's a little bit of markings in it. Oh, is this a sticker? That's why there's markings. Those are, oh, I didn't even know. Right? That's why. Yeah. Cool. Is it like one, it must be one big sticker. Alright, and I pulled out the photo card so we can just do it like this. It's just me. But you're watching. Whoever. So. This is cool. I like this. Sorry, I keep moving my table on accident. Oh, so the lyrics are on the back. Love the song. I like both of them, but... Alright, so we also have the booklet, which is cool. So it's got both. So these are kind of like postcards. I'm still going to keep them with the album, though, because they're enormous. And they have the lyrics on the back, so it seems like they're a separate thing. It's a little different with a Wonder Party then. It's more like Power by EXO. I kept those postcard things in the album too because they're enormous, and then the smaller ones are still pretty big. And they're double-sided, so it's easier just to leave them in there. I'm not 100%. When I ordered it, it said night version, so hopefully purple is the night version. There's purple and yellow. I think yellow must be day, but I'm just not seeing anything in here that indicates this is night. When I ordered it off of Amazon, it did say night version, but it had like the yellow, but I think it was just the album art. I don't know, man. I don't know. Alright, so there's... Of course, put these right on top of where I put the extras. And the poster. Alright, before I do the ticket and the photo card, I will do the stickers. I really like this one. It makes me feel like it's gay pride. I don't think it's supposed to be, but it feels like it is, and I love it. I'm gonna pretend it is. It's really cute. Minnie. I'm guessing there's a sticker of everybody. I thought this was a QR code for a minute. It's not. Yes! Sorry, she's become my bias. Ooh. I love stickers. Ooh. Ooh, hold on. I got them stuck together on accident. La-ta-da. La-ta-da? That's not what I meant to say. La-ta-ta. Dum-di-dum-di. Yeah, Sujin. Oh, not Sujin. Soyeon. And then the last one must be Sujin. Yep, there we go. That's just the only member I haven't seen so far. Another dum-di-dum-di. Ooh, and then we got an oh my god. Lion. Oh, and here's the disc. I was wondering where that was. It came in a... I don't think I showed it. Did I show it? I don't know now. Alright, so it comes with this ticket that I'm guessing has a member on it. Oh, it does. And we got Neon. Neon. She was my original bias. Eventually it became... Rookie. Alright, oh, I think I see the name. Ooh, oh, she looks so cute. She got a burger and fries. I love it. Love it. 10 out of 10. I haven't gotten any of her yet, so I'm glad that'll be my first of her. Sorry. Alright, that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye!